Hi there, Paul here from WP Genie, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add an Instagram feed to your WordPress website. Alright, here we go. So this is the plugin that we're going to be adding to our website to create the Instagram feed. It's called Instagram Feed, it's by Smashballoon, and it's pretty neat. So I'm going to actually show you step by step on how to add this plugin to your website. Let's do it, shall we? So jump into the back end of your website or the dashboard and head on down to plugins. I'm going to go to add new. So we're going to add Instagram feed into the search bar, and then it will show on the very top left here. So we're going to go ahead and install that. Then we're going to activate it. Okay, great. So now we've installed the plugin. Now we need to go to the settings so that we can create the permissions so we can get the feed happening. Alright, we're going to go to Instagram feed settings here in the plugins list, and this will take you to the configure tab. Okay, so we're going to have to connect an Instagram account to this plugin. We just simply click the big blue button, connect an Instagram account. So for this to work, it's good for you to be logged into your Instagram account in the browser. Otherwise, it's going to ask you to log in on the next screen here. So then you'd put in your username and password for Instagram, and then it will pop up with this box, and then you can just click authorize. Okay, fantastic. So now I can see that that has been given or granted access to my Gold Coast Business website's Instagram feed. Now we're just going to save the changes just to make sure that that sticks. Right, so now all we do now is go to the display your feed tab. Right, okay, there's a whole bunch of different variables that you can add to your Instagram feed shortcode. So that's how we're going to display the feed on our website, by using a shortcode. What I'm highlighting here is just the standard shortcode. Okay, you can just copy that and paste it into any page or post or Elementor, Builder or anything, and your Instagram feed will display. Let me just show you that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some variables to this. I'm going to use this second one actually. Instagram feed number 4, columns 4, and I'm going to show follow false. What the number 4 here means that it's only going to show 4 images, and it's going to have a columns of 4. Okay, so that's what that means. So I'm going to copy that entire shortcode, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and add it to a page. So I've just got a home page, so I'm going to create a new page, and I'll just call it Instagram feed. Cool. We could just simply paste it in like that, and we're good to go. So I'm just going to publish that page, preview the page. Cool. Pretty easy, huh? There you go. I'm now displaying the images from my own personal Gold Coast Business website's Instagram feed, and because the variables I've got here for number of 4, so I'm showing only 4, so I can change that to 8 because I know I've got more images, and I'm going to display them in 4 columns still. I'm actually going to remove this show follow, and I'm just going to make it just simple like that, and I'm going to update the page, and then I'm going to refresh, and you'll now see that there are 8 images as per my variable change, and I've also got a follow on Instagram button here as well. So that's it. That's how simple it is. So you can then put that shortcode into any page builder or any page or any post that you want on the website. It's not a problem at all. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or if you enjoyed it, please like, share and comment down below as well. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.